Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Did you have a great day?
Yes, I had a great day. Thank you.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. So last week we did workbook exercises.
Yes.
We will be continuing with workbook exercises today.
Yes.
So please open your workbook. Please open your workbook, page number 19.
19.
Yes, 19.
Ma'am, second.
Yes. Nived, Arjun, Amaya, please mute your audios. Okay. Yes. So on that page, if you see number 4, I write is given. Okay. At the bottom of the page. Arjun, can you please mute your audio? Can you see at the bottom of the page, it is given? Write about one's likes and dislikes. Can you all see that? Yes. Okay. So there the picture of a boy is given and a bracket, a box is given where he is telling us that my name is Mihir. I am 7 years old. I love to dance. It makes me feel very happy. I do not like cockroaches. They walk very fast and look scary. Okay, now turn the page and you can see the picture of a girl.
Yes, ma'am.
And she is telling us, my name is Preeti. I'm 8 years old. I love to play basketball. I get so excited when I play it. I dislike eating carrots. They are very hard. Okay, so both of them are telling us what they like and what they don't like. And they're also telling us the reason why they like or why they don't like. Esther, what did I say before I started taking? Which book did I say? You were playing with the phone. Okay, now the exercise that we have to do is exercise 4.1. Answer the following questions about your likes and dislikes. Yes, they have given us questions. We have to write down the answers. It is a writing exercise. Hence, you have to write down the answers. Okay, the first one is write down 3 food items that you like and 1 item that you dislike. Right, quickly.
And page number
20.
20. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
അവരെ മൂട്ടി ഇടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ
Arjun, I have... Arjun, this is the last time I'm telling you to mute the audio. Yes, finish writing. It shouldn't take so long because it's something I'm asking you to write something that you like and you don't like. Anybody has written?
Finish.
Yes, Aradhya, tell me 3 food items that you like and 1 that you dislike.
Rice.
Then?
Chapati.
Hmm.
Dosha.
Okay, and what do you dislike?
Biryani.
You dislike biryani? Okay, I thought everybody likes biryani. Okay, anybody else? Yes, Ivan, what do you like? Read what you have written. Don't think.
Yes.
Uh.
Carrots. Cabbage. And apple.
I asked you where food, not fruits or vegetables. Tell me food that you like.
Dosha. Chapati. Biryani.
You like. And what do you dislike?
Biryani.
Huh?
Biryani.
What do you like? You said biryani. You dislike also biryani.
I like biryani.
You like biryani. What do you don't like?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Cabbage. Okay.
Mama.
Yes, Abha.
I like rice and roti. I don't like fish.
You don't like fish. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now look at the next question. What game do you like playing the most? What game do you dislike? Game do you like the most? What game do you dislike? Please write it down. It is a writing exercise.
Which game do you like? Hide and seek.
Mute Ivan.
Hide and seek.
Ivan, you're not writing.
I'm finished.
Finish writing. Who has finished writing? Amazia. Yes, Amazia, which game do you like the most?
Cabbage.
Huh? I can't hear you. Hide and seek. Okay. And what do you don't like? Why are you thinking? I'm asking you to write down the answer. So just read it out. What is there to think? You're not writing it. I'm giving you time to write the answers and read it out to me. If I had you, if I wanted you to think, I would have just asked you the question. Yes, Saharish.
I like to play carom board. I dislike hide and seek.
You like to play carom board and you dislike hide and seek. Yes. Anybody else?
Mama.
Yes, Emmanuel.
Mama.
Emmanuel.
Mama, hide and seek. Carom board I dislike.
You dislike carom board. Okay.
Mama.
Yes, nice. Abha, I gave you a chance. Yes, Naisa.
I like hide and seek. I like running game.
You like hide and seek and what do you dislike?
Running game.
Dislike. What do you dislike? Why am I giving you all the time to write? And when I ask you, you're thinking and telling me the answer. Why are we doing a writing exercise? Yes, Avalon.
I like football. I dislike
Again, he's thinking.
the volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay. Okay, the next one is, do you like pets? or dislike them, you have to give me a reason. If you say you like pets, you have to give me a reason.
Pets. I like pets.
I am giving you time to write the answer. Write the answer and read it out to me.
I like pets. Mama likes pets. I'm finished.
Yes.
I'm finished.
Yes, Rohan, read your answer.
Dog.
Huh?
I like
Tell me your answer.
dog.
My question is my question is not what pets you like. My question is, do you like pets or do you dislike?
Like.
You like. Why do you like?
He's very cute.
It's very cute. Okay. Anybody else?
Mama Arjun. Mama Maya.
Yes, Amaya.
I like kittens. I dislike dogs.
No, that is not my question. My question is, do you like pets or not? Yes or no? Why?
They are so cute.
Okay, yes. Okay, the next one is write the name of a song that you like, that you can write whichever song you like of your choice. I am not going to ask you that. The next question is, name the thing you love the most in the world. Name the thing you love the most in the world. And why do you love it so much? Name the thing you love the most in the world and why do you like it? But why do you love it so much? Yes, Renfred?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your answer?
I love to go on a holiday
Okay, and why do you love it so much?
because I can take photos and I can visit many places. And
Okay, that is what you like doing the most. Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
Anybody else?
I got the answer.
Yes, Abba.
My bicycle.
You like the bicycle the most. Why is it so?
It goes faster and faster.
Okay, yes, Amaya.
I will feel very happy. Ride with
What is
cycle.
it?
Ma'am, Emmanuel. Ma'am.
Yes, Rohan.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Huh?
Forest.
Forest. Okay, listen, look at the question. Name the thing you love the most. There
Ma'am.
must be something which you like.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
I like
Emmanuel.
to study.
Huh? You like to study?
No.
Then?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Then why did you raise the hand?
Ma'am, Devatmak.
Yes, Devatmak.
I love my mother.
Ah, very good. Okay. And what is the reason?
She cares
Hmm.
my family.
Okay, she looks after your family. She cares for your family. Okay. So now do you know how to write? Please, when you write the answers, make proper sentences and write. Okay, we are discussing this, but there is no right or wrong answer for this. The answer is of your choice. Okay. If you say you like fish, you don't like fish, whatever you say, it's correct. It is your choice. I am not going to be sending answers for these. Okay, please do not ask me to send answers for these questions. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now,
Ma'am,
yes. Shravan,
I
please
like
mute your audio.
Frozen song. Ma'am, I like Frozen song.
You like what?
Frozen song.
Frozen song. Okay, fine. Yes. Now, the next. Shravan, please mute your audio.
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Andrea.
I like to play with my brother.
Okay. Now, if you look at exercise 4.2, we have already done about the lion and the mouse. Yes. Now, open page number 24. Please open page number 24.
Ma'am, which book?
Same book. If there is a change in the book, I will tell you.
Yes, 24. What is there?
Page number 24. Have you opened it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, kindly please mute your audio and listen to what I am saying.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute the audios.
Okay.
Yes. Emmanuel, special, I have to mention your name. Mute your audio. Okay. Now, every time after each lesson, when I ask you, have you practiced writing the spellings? Have you studied the spellings? Everybody tells me, yes, ma'am. Okay. Now, I am going to check how much all of you have studied. If you see exercise 1 is a word dictation. I will be telling you words. You have to write it down. Okay. These are not new words. These are words that we studied from the last 3 chapters. Oh, Nani, tell me a tale, the Pied Piper, and the Swing. All of you should close your textbooks. No looking into your textbooks or rough books. No asking help from your parents. No looking here and there. Write your own answers. I will tell you the word, listen and write the word. And follow me. Don't go after I finish third word, don't ask me, ma'am, what is the first word? So when I'm telling you the words, I will repeat each word 3 times. Yes? After that, I will write the correct spellings on the board. Please check your answers. Please be truthful. Do not correct your mistakes. If it is wrong, mark it wrong and write and study the words. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, I trust all of you all. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Close all other books. If you see here, you are given 9 places here. Can you see? For 9 words. I'm going to give you 9 words. Yes, Rohan. What is it, Rohan?
I see.
Okay. So ready?
Yes.
Okay. First word. Please keep the audios muted. First word, valley. Valley. First word, valley. First word, valley. Second word, forest. Forest.
Okay, ma'am.
Forest. Pavin, write it in your workbook itself. Don't take another book for it. Forest. Third word, fairies. 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 Fourth word, secret charm. Secret charm. Secret charm.
Bubble.
Fifth word, refused. 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 Sixth word, horrified. 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 I switched it off. But every week I have to do. Horrified. Seventh word, pleasantest. 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 Eighth word, cattle. 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 And the last word, garden. 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 Naisa, this is not applicable to you. You're not writing. Last word was garden. Okay, I will repeat all the words. You can check. Valley, forest, fairies, secret charm, refused, horrified, pleasantest, cattle, garden. Yes?
Finish.
Okay. Huh? First word you have not written. Valley. Because at that time you were looking for some other book. I told you write it in your rough book. You went searching for some other book. Okay, now please check your answers.
Should we put tick mark inside?
You can put it inside, you can put it outside, anywhere. First one, valley, V-A-L-L-E-Y. Second one, forest, F-O-R-E-S-T. Third one, fairies, F-A-I-R-I-E-S. And the fourth one, secret charm, S-E-C-R-E-T-C-H-A-R-M, secret charm. Fifth word, refused, R-E-F-U-S-E-D, refused. Sixth word, horrified, H-O-R-R-I-F-I-E-D, horrified. Seventh word, pleasantest. 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 Eighth word, cattle. 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 And the ninth word, garden. 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 Check your spellings. Yes? Anybody got more than 3 wrongs?
Ma'am, I got 2 wrongs.
You got 2 wrong. Anybody got more than 3?
Ma'am, I got 1 wrong.
1 wrong.
And 2.
2.
I got 2. Ma'am, I got 1 wrong.
Okay, okay. So it's either 2 or 1. Okay, no problem. The words which are wrong, please write and study. Okay? All the words which have gone wrong, please write and study. And from tomorrow, we will start revision. Okay? So we will start with Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale. Okay.
Ma'am, I got 9 out of 9.
You got 9 out of 9. Okay, very good. No problem.
Ma'am, I got 3 wrong.
Who got 3 wrongs?
I
Nisa.
got 9 out of
Nisa, did you write? I didn't see you writing.
Yes.
You were writing. Okay. Okay. Those words which have gone wrong, please write and study. And tomorrow onwards, we are starting revision. Tomorrow we will have Oh Nani, Tell Me a Tale. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.